Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Torn between the Sony 28-70mm zoom and the Nikon 40mm close-up lens?
This is a classic versatility versus specialization dilemma.
Let's break it down for our listeners. The Sony 28-70mm ASINB07BY-YH28H looks like a fantastic walk-around lens.
That 28 to 70mm range is super practical, right? But that Nikon 40mm micro ASINB07CHXQLKQ is whispering sweet nothings about detail.
It's so compact, but can it really deliver that close-up magic?
True, but realistically, how often are you shooting macro?
The Sony has Optical SteadyShot, which is Sony's image stabilization. That's a huge plus for handheld shooting, especially at the telephoto end. Okay, let's dive into the specifics. So, the Sony's 28 to 70mm range lets you grab wide landscapes at 28mm and then zoom in for portraits at 70mm.
Think vacation photos, family gatherings, one lens to rule them all. But the Nikon is a dedicated macro lens.
It boasts a 1-to-1 reproduction ratio, meaning what you see on your sensor is the actual size of the subject.
Imagine capturing the intricate details of a flower or the compound eye of an insect. But here's the catch with the Nikon. It's a fixed 40mm focal length.
No zoom here. Exactly. The Sony offers flexibility, but it's a variable aperture lens, going from f/3.5 to f/5.6.
The Nikon's fixed f/2.8 aperture lets in more light, crucial for those super detailed close-up shots.
That's a significant trade-off depending on your needs.
So the core question is, versatility and convenience or specialized high-detail performance?
If you need a single lens for a wide range of subjects, travel, portraits, everyday snapshots, the Sony is a solid choice.
It's a jack of all trades, master of none, but a great all-rounder. But if you're passionate about revealing the hidden world of macro photography, the Nikon will unlock incredible detail and sharpness.
Think stunning insect photos, detailed product shots, or even just exploring the texture of everyday objects. Both are excellent lenses, but tailored for different photographic styles.
Consider what you shoot most often, and let that guide your decision.
Now get out there and capture some amazing images. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.